Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So recently I was asked in one of the videos that I posted earlier in the comment section that what is my current motovlogging setup. So this short video I decided to show you guys what currently is my motovlogging setup and how am I using my GoPro on my mounted on my helmet. Before we start, I would like to thank all of you for your support, and the reason for this video is because one of you left a comment on one of my videos asking me to show you how my current motovlogging setup is, and that is what made me go ahead and said, okay, let me go ahead and record this video for, as per the request. So please make sure that, if you have any request or anything, feel free to write in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Let's get started. So basically what I did was I ordered this clip that you see here. I ordered it on Amazon, and it's a clip with about 3 straps, 2 that go on the top from here, as you can see, and 1 goes from underneath here. So these 2 straps that go on top basically clip up to the one underneath, and it's a very firm grip on the front of the helmet. It's removable, so that's the best part about it. I can remove it within like basically 10 seconds or less. That's how good it is. What I've done then is these extensions are, one comes with the clip, and then I had quite a few extensions from before. So what I did was I added one extension here, one extension here, and then 2 screws. That's what I did. What I did next was basically, this is my road lavalier mic that I ordered earlier. So the mic is wire goes from underneath the helmet here, and then I clip, because there's a bulk of the wire there. What I do is I push it in the chin pad, behind the chin pad actually, and then let the mic come out from part of it here. So if I loose this up, this is the mic, as you can see, and then the mic, I've attached it with a clip that comes with the Rode mic itself. And what this clip is, it's like has this opening like this, and what I do is I just open the clip up and clip it to that sponge part on the cheek pad, and that's what it is. So the mic's facing downward, and basically, and once I close the shield, in my case I leave it open because when I'm riding the GoldWing, I have the GoldWing windshield on. But in case I don't have the windshield on and I close this one, it's very good. So now you can see the mic's inside. It's this thing closes up. I haven't seen any issue with it yet, so it's pretty good with what it is. I'll show you now how I put my helmet, sorry, not the helmet, how I put my GoPro here and then clip it onto it. Alright, so now here is the GoPro on the helmet, and I have the media mod on my GoPro Hero 8, and then this is the Rode lavalier mic, the external mic that's in the jack, in the GoPro from here, and then inside my helmet. And what it looks like from the side is basically, as you can see, from the front it looks like that. And that's how my setup is. I could possibly remove the extension I have here, which is this one, and have the camera on this thing, which is the built-in mount sort of that comes with this GoPro holder. But what I did is I prefer the extension, and that's because I have the lavalier mic, this jack or pin that's going into the GoPro here. So I like to have a little bit space. Otherwise, if I push the GoPro back here, this will be hitting the helmet and at times maybe pushing the camera downward, which I don't want. So that's why I added this extension, this one here, to push the GoPro a bit further so it's easy access. I'm also able to see the screen. So one of the good things is I'm able to, when I'm recording, at least I know that the GoPro is recording and everything's working fine. Let me show you how it is when I have it on my head. All right, so this is with the, helmet on my head, and that's how it looks. So you can see from the side what it looks like when I'm in the riding position. This is what it is, and that's how it looks. I'll show you a quick video of how it is while me riding on the motorcycle. So as you can see from the video that my view is very good. This was a video shot recently, and this is how the camera records the view. It's a pretty good view while recording with this video setup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if this helped you. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.